Hi everybody. So I've got three different types of KitKat here, and today we're going to open them up and see what they look like. But this one's just a regular plain KitKat, the normal one. And then this one's like a Halloween version. It says crisp wafers and white cream. And then Witch's Brew. Crisp wafers and marshmallow flavored cream. So I don't know what the colors are going to look like. I mean, you know, these are usually a chocolate outside. This one says crisp wafers and white cream, so I'm thinking this is going to be a white KitKat. And this one, I have no idea what color Witch's Brew is going to be. So let's start with the normal one. Yep, just as I thought, regular old KitKats. So let's put that there. Yep, just like you'd expect. Of course, we got to taste it. Pretty good. Okay. Yep. Yep, these are white. So it's basically the same thing, just like in a white chocolate. Yep. Looks the same inside. Try it. Tastes the same too. Okay, let's move on to Witch's Brew. Anyone want to guess? Well, could it be green or purple? Oh, they're green. Oh, that's interesting. Same thing though, still have that KitKat imprint on them. Actually, these are a bit dirty inside. Kind of like a translucent green. And let's see. Yeah, look the same inside. Let's taste. Still kind of tastes the same. I mean, a little bit different. Let me taste this chocolate one. Yeah, they all kind of have the same taste. They all kind of have the same taste. So I'm thinking the only difference is the food coloring that they're using to make each product. You know, you would think that this is chocolate, and maybe it is. But I think it might just be the food coloring, because I can't tell the difference in the taste. So there you have it. 3 different flavors of KitKats. Pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.